Hello and welcome to Spiritual Bliss. Today we'll be learning Konasana 1, which is also known as the angle pose. It is the sideward stretch of the spine. It has various limitations and contraindications. Spinal injuries, spinal abnormalities, and severe back pain should avoid this asana. People suffering from frozen shoulder, severe arthritis, hypertension, serious cardiac complaints, and pregnancy second and third trimester should avoid this. Stand with 2 to 2.5 feet distance between your feet, abdomen in normal contour. Your back should be straight, hands at the respective sides. Now place the left hand on your waist and inhaling, turn the head to the right hand, bend the upper part of the body above the waist to the right. Simultaneously, slide the right hand down towards the knee while the left palm slides up to the armpit. You have to stay in this position for double the count. There is a tendency of the body to bend either forward or backward. You have to hold the body precisely straight. Now exhaling, return back to the normal position. Smoothly bring your trunk up, glide your hands back to the respective sides and repeat the same for the right hand. You have to see that the bend is only for the upper part of the body. The lower part of the body below the waistline should be kept intact. Slowly come back to the normal position. The various benefits of this asana are: it stretches, develops and tones the muscles of the sides. It has a favorable effect on the abdominal and pelvic organs as they get compression alternately. It also aids good blood circulation in that area. It helps reduces the waistline. It improves the digestion. It stimulates the nervous system and alleviates the nervous depression. Thank you.